Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. It is, I'll turn that volume up a little bit. It is Sunday afternoon. We're doing a video here for everybody. Telecom, we all know this. Leading groups produce leading stocks. So we like to look at the leading groups. This is MarketSmith. We're looking at the leading groups. Group number one, down here, hanging in there. Telecom Wireless Services. These are the leading stocks in the group. Pays to know them. Group 2, retail, wholesale, auto parts. Hanging in there, starting to pick up just a bit. Look at this. We'll move this up. See the volume picked up a little bit Friday. Relative strength, lagging, okay. Group still strong. Defensive group. Soap, cleaning, hanging in there. People need to bathe. Defensive group. Soap and cleaning preparations. Beverage is non-alcoholic, kind of defensive also. People got to have their soda. Auto parts, replacement parts, also it's going sideways, refuse to fall. Leading stocks in that group, also kind of a defensive group. I'll give you group rank 6. Telecom services, foreign, hanging in there. It's really not, it bounced off the lows here, and here's the leading stocks in the group. We'll have to see which ones show up. For the VIPs, we're going to do an in-depth analysis of the top 25 groups. But just wanted to show you this. There's a fact, just like the other video pointed out. Leading groups, by and large, produce leading stocks. And I thank you.